Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that could potentially impact all of us, the world of counterfeit drugs and how we can identify them. Now, this might sound like a complex issue, but I'm about to break it down for you in a way that's both simple and intriguing. First, let's talk about why this matters. We all rely on medications at some point, right? Whether it's a daily vitamin or a prescription drug, we trust that what we're taking is the real deal. Unfortunately, in today's world, that trust can be betrayed. Counterfeit drugs are a serious problem, and they can have devastating consequences. So, how do we tackle this issue? Well, prepare to be amazed by a technique called disintegration fingerprinting. It's a mouthful, I know, but trust me, it's genius in its simplicity. Imagine this: you have a clear plastic cup, a stir plate, and a few electronic components. That's it. With these simple tools, you can create a system that analyzes the disintegration of pills in water. By measuring the reflectance of light as the pill breaks down, you get a unique fingerprint, or DF, for each drug. Now, here's the cool part. This technique has been tested on 32 different drug products, and it worked on an impressive 90% of them. It can even tell the difference between generic and brand name versions. That's like having a secret weapon against counterfeiters. But why is this so effective? Well, it's all about the unique characteristics of each drug. Just like a fingerprint, no two drugs disintegrate in exactly the same way. So, by analyzing this process, we can identify fakes with surprising accuracy. Of course, there are some limitations. You need a known good sample to create a reference fingerprint, and there's that 10% of products where the technique doesn't work. But for low and middle income countries where counterfeit drugs are a huge issue, this could be a game changer. Personally, I find it fascinating how such a simple method can have such a significant impact. It's a great example of how innovative thinking can solve complex problems. So, the next time you pop a pill, remember that there's a whole world of science and technology working behind the scenes to ensure your safety. It's a reminder that we should never take our health for granted. I hope this video has sparked your curiosity and given you a new perspective on the world of pharmaceuticals. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.